Hello, 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 guys. Happy Friday. So we are making some eggplant salsa because we have lots of eggplant to make stuff out of. So in this frying pan, we have a roux, okay? And this is to put a little bit more fat into the salsa. Salsa. So it's not so carby, okay? So this is half a cup of olive oil and half a cup of almond flour. Here we go. Okay. Hey, look at that. You're watching me. It says you're watching me. Sorry, it's funny. It says my husband's watching me. He's standing right here, actually watching me, but not on his phone. Okay, that was a side note. Okay. So we're going to start adding everything here, okay? So basically we got some chicken stock here. We made chicken, because we're going to have shredded chicken with this too, okay? So we have some chicken stock here. That's also to add more fat to it, okay? So we're going to get this added. So it's half a cup of this, half a cup of chicken stock, okay? All right. Add it into this. And we're going to add our vegetables. So we have our tomatoes. There's a cup and a half of tomatoes chopped up. Here we go. We got our peppers. So we have yellow bell peppers. There's a cup and a half of that. Get that all in here. We have our eggplant, that massive eggplant. A cup and a half of just chopped eggplant. Okay. Get that all in here. Okay, and then we have half a cup of chopped onions. Get all that in here. And we got 4 cloves of garlic, okay? Alright, and I'm going to give this just a tad bit of a stir before I add all the spices in here, okay? Okay. Now we got some spices, and we have, this is Italian, right?
Yes.
A tablespoon of Italian and then paprika. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I had to make sure I got the spices right. So we got a tablespoon of Italian spice. We're going to put that in. We got a tablespoon of paprika. We're going to put that in. All right. And then we have a teaspoon of black pepper. Here we go, okay? Now, of course, with all our recipes, if you want the written recipe, just let me know. Put recipe in the comment. And we'll send you the written recipe, okay? All right, and we're going to give this a quick stir. And then we're going to put this on the oven. Not on the oven, on the stove. There we go. We're going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes, and then it's done. So this is like really quick, really easy salsa that you can make with eggplant. I'm like really excited to try this out. We're going to have it with some shredded chicken, like I said, and we're also going to have it with our cheese crackers that are keto friendly. They're like cheese and almond flour crackers, so they're nice and hard and stiff. And we're going to dip it in with our crackers. And that's going to be our supper today, guys. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. So I'm going to put this on the stove for 30 minutes, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. I'm excited. This is like a little thing that we thought we'd try since we have so much eggplant. Tomorrow we're making eggplant parmesan, so I'm going to be doing like a little video series for you guys, and then posting it in here for you guys tomorrow, so I'm excited about that. We're going to just do a whole bunch of different things as the vegetables come off the garden. So we're excited. But that's our video for today. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys Monday for our breakfast event. We start Monday. I'm excited. But have a good day, guys. Bye.